Okay children, now in this class we will study applications of HCF, that are word problems of HCF. Before I start again explaining you the sum, I would like to tell you the keywords that we use to find HCF. As I explained you earlier, that for LCM, as LCM stands for least or lowest common multiple, the usual keywords that we get in word problems are least number, lowest number, altogether, again, minimum. These all are the keywords for LCM. Now for HCF, as HCF stands for highest common factor, the word itself says you highest. So whenever we get the keywords like largest, greatest, these all make you understand that it is a word problem related to HCF. Before I start, I would like to read the question for you all. The question was, I am explaining you children the first word problem from my practice time 6. The first one. There are 32 rasgullas and 48 burfis in 2 boxes. What is the largest number of boxes in which rasgullas and burfis can be packed together such that equal numbers of both are there in each box? So now children, I highlighted it. I got the word as what is the largest numbers of boxes in which rasgullas and burfis can be packed together such that we have equal number of sweets in that boxes. So now I will be using HCF here. As you all can see, to find the largest number of boxes in which rasgullas and burfis can be equally packed, we need to find the HCF of the given numbers. So I am going to find the HCF of 32 and 48. Again children, if you can see, I have used the method of prime factorization, that is the common division as we used for LCM. So 32 and 48, 2 is divisible, 2 16, 2 24. Then again 2 is divisible by both, so 2 8 and 2 12. Again 2 2 4 2 6. Again 2 2 2 and 2 3. Here I will be not getting any factor which is divisible by both because both are prime numbers. Now HCF, the common factors are 2 2 2 and 2, that gives me 16. So thus rasgullas and burfis can be packed together equally in 16 boxes. Okay children, I explain you another word problem from your my practice time 6, that is question number 3. I will read out the question first. There are 4 drums containing 54 liters, 72 liters, 84 liters and 66 liters of oil. Find the capacity of the largest can that can measure oil in the 4 drums by the exact number of times. Now children, again the key word here you can see is the largest. They have asked us that we have to find the capacity of the largest can that can measure oil in the 4 drums by exact number of times. So again I will be finding the HCF of the 4 numbers, that is 54, 72, 84 and 66. As you all can see, even though if the numbers are more, and before solving we imagine that oh god, how long this sum will be, but using this method the sum has really become short, if you can see, by using the method of prime factorization, that is common division. So now I start my division. 2, I have taken 2 because 2 is divisible by all the 4 numbers. So 227, 236, 242 and 233 will give me these answers. Now I cannot think of 2 because 2 will divide 36, 2 will divide 42, but 2 will not divide 27 and 33. So I move to the next factor which will divide all 4 together, that is 3. 3 9s are, 3 12s are, 3 14s are and 3 11s are. That's all. So here now everywhere you will not get a single factor which will divide all 4. So I will leave my sum as it is. Now the common factor that I got is 2 into 3, that is HCF, I will get it as 6. Thus 6 liter is the capacity of the largest can. Thank you children. I hope you all have understood the sum.